I think I'm gonna put my DJI hat for this one. Hey, what's up everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great today. And normally I try to stay away from leaks, but yesterday we had such a massive day of leaks. We had so much leaked information about the new upcoming Mavic 3 Pro, also about the Autel Evo 3 Pro, the smaller drones from Autel that are just coming on September 28th, and also some news about the upcoming Osmo Action 2 from DJI. It's insane. This holiday season will be expensive, but I want to focus on the Mavic 3 Pro in today's video because I think this is the most interesting drone of the year and there's so much to talk about, so let's just dive right into it. As usual, when it comes to leaks, we have to address the fact that nothing is 100% confirmed until DJI releases the product. They might change up a few things just before the announcement, but take this information with a grain of salt, as we never really know before we see the actual product. However, the first thing we know from the leaked information is that this drone will come with 2 sets of cameras, and that's really not a huge surprise. If you have been watching the leaks previously, you've seen the renders and you've seen that the drone comes with 2 sets of cameras. One of them is a wide-angle camera and the other one is a telephoto camera. So depending on your needs and the type of footage you want to record, you will be able to quickly swap from one camera to another and record on it. The wide-angle lens will shoot 20 megapixel photos. As for the telephoto lens, it's reported to shoot in 12 megapixels. The video resolution will be 5.2K. We still don't know the exact frame rates. I believe it will be 5.2K 60 frames per second, the maximum frame rate that we can get in the highest resolution, but we'll have to stand by on that for more information. The Mavic 3 Pro will come at about 920 grams, which is kind of sad because it exceeds the 900 gram threshold by 20 grams. And that threshold is important if you want to register this drone as a C1 aircraft and not as a C2. And for many people, this is actually really important. So we'll have to take that into consideration as well. The Mavic 3 will come in 3 different versions. So the basic version will be just the drone, a battery, remote, propellers, all the basic things you need to fly. The Fly More combo, as usual, will come with more batteries, maybe an extra charger or some other accessories in addition, like an ND filter set. And the Cine version will also include everything mentioned, but also the new smart remote controller, which will have the same form factor and same design, but will feature Occusync 3, which allows us to get to this maximum flight range of up to 15 kilometers, which is kind of insane. The Cine version of the Mavic 3 Pro will also include a better transmission of the data that you have filmed, because it will have internal memory up to 1 terabyte, which will make it extremely expensive in my opinion. Because of that internal space, you don't have to use SD cards anymore, and I believe this will also allow us to shoot ProRes on that specific version. So you can quickly transfer that data from the internal storage of the drone to your computer. You will have an additional cable for quick data transfer. And as usual, we'll have other features that we'll know from DJI, such as hyperlapse, active track, quick shots, panoramas, and also there's this new advanced pilot assistance feature, which I believe will allow us to quickly record some more tricky shots that otherwise are a bit harder to record manually. I'm really interested to check this out. The price of the basic package of the Mavic 3 will be $1,600, and it will only go up as you move to the Fly More combo and also to the Cine version of this drone, which I believe will be next to double of those $1,600. I hope not, but I really believe it will be a very expensive package. And one more thing I forgot to mention is the flight time, which is up to 46 minutes in ideal conditions. And as we all know, DJI always over-promises in their flight time predictions. But I believe 35 to 40 minutes of realistic flight time will be available on the Mavic 3 Pro, which is again very nice to have. And finally, when it comes to the release date, people are speculating that it will be on November 15th. There is a long way to go until that date, so until then I'm sure we'll know a lot more and we'll learn everything there is to know about this drone. But until then, let me know, what do you think about this drone? Are you excited to get one? Do you think it will be as good as we hope it will be, or Autel Evo 3 Pro will actually be a nice serious contender to that drone? Let me know. I would really love to hear your opinion. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.